Okay, 12D. I forgot. I'm supposed to give a shout out to Jarrett. I mentioned earlier in class, about hardworking students. He's probably the most hardworking kid I've ever taught. This one I decided to go with D. Like, people haven't given me letters. I usually just take the easiest one. I'm taking the hardest one from 12. We have three terms. This one does not even have a denominator. Doesn't matter. Needs one. 6t and 5 is what we're working with. We know that t cannot equal 0. 6 and 5, the lowest number they go into is 30. So our LCD is 30t. So we have to multiply everything by whatever's necessary to give the denominator of 30t. This one's just going to be 5 over 5. Negative 2 plus t over 6t times 5 over 5. Plus, now 3 has nothing, so it's going to be 30t over 30t. So 3, I'm going to say over 1 because that's what it is, just to make it easier. 30t over 30t minus, stupid minuses, 2t plus 3 over 5 times 6t over 6t. All right, so you need to figure out what is needed to multiply by, because those are all different, but each one is equal to 1. 5 over 5 is 1. 30t over 30t is 1. 6t over 6t is 1. So we're not changing anything, we're just changing the way it looks. Multiply through. Negative 10t plus 5t plus 90t, that negative, minus 12t squared plus 18t, all over 30t. Okay, I'm going to collect like terms, and I'm going to deal with this negative at the same time. So it's negative 12t squared. No other 12t squareds in there, or t squareds. A negative 12t squared, and this is negative 18t. Negative 18t and negative 10t. Everything else is t's, actually. So negative 18 and negative 10 is negative 28. Negative 28 and 5 is negative 23. Negative 23 and 90 is 67. That is ugly. So, oops, 30. Now, here we can do a little bit of canceling because we have a t in all of these. Just looking through it again to make sure. Oh, this is negative 10. Nope. Negative 10. It's not a t. It's just negative 10. Ugh, got to do this again. So it's negative 12t squared. And then so this is 95 minus 18. It's 95. It's 95 minus 18. I can't do that in my head right now. 95 minus 18, 77. So plus 77t minus 10. I thought we were going to be able to cancel something. We aren't. If we factor this, we still won't be able to cancel anything here. Remember that t cannot equal 0, and you're done. 12D. Hopefully that makes sense.